how to change video speed, either to fast forward or to get a slow motion. This is the normal speed of this video. I want to fast forward it. Right click, click on add clip speed, move to the right, scroll down, see the speed. It's 1.00x. If you increase it, you increase the speed. You reduce it, you reduce the speed. Let's increase it to 2. Now let's try this speed. Fast. Increase it to 3.98. Let's check the speed. Fast. Now let's reduce it 0.5, half of it. Let's watch it. So this is how to change video speed, either to fast forward or slow motion. Thank you for watching. Bye.